If you like the content on this channel, please consider supporting it. Details in the description.
For the 2027 Thameslink service to Bedford via Luton Airport Parkway. This train is formed of 12 coaches calling at Farringdon, London St Pancras International, West Hampstead Thameslink, St Albans City, Harpenden, Luton Airport Parkway, Luton, Leagrave, Harlington, Flitwick and Bedford. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and the platform edge when boarding.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We are sorted. See it, say it, sorted.
is formed of 8 coaches calling at Farringdon, London St Pancras International, Kentish Town, West Hampstead Thameslink, Cricklewood, Hendon, Mill Hill Broadway, Elstree and Boreham Wood, Radlett and St Albans City. First class accommodation is not available on the train. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and the platform edge when boarding. Platform 1 for the 2033 Thameslink service to Cambridge. This train is formed of 12 coaches calling at Farringdon, London St Pancras International, Finsbury Park, Stevenage, Hitchin, Letchworth Garden City, Baldock, Royston and Cambridge. Due to a short platform, passengers for Baldock should board the front 8 coaches. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and the platform edge when boarding.